looking, wow, that guy is bad. He can fight. You put him in the ring with an actual fighter and he will get fucked up. So you pretend good, you act good, you win the Academy Award, but you ain't no motherfucking real iron addict, so shut the fuck up and watch some work out, bitch. Put a fucking plate on that motherfucker. Yeah. I ain't finished this fucking shit. You don't tell me what the fuck it is. This my shit. This my house. I built this fucking house. Ah!